BineryX token holder, what's going on? Today video is going to be very special for all viewers and subscriber, because my brother, in this video we are going to predicate the binary X B and X token, and definitely this will be give you a very big opportunity, my friend. This was a big opportunity for everyone to get a very huge profit now, so don't miss. All right, keep watch the video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. All right, let's come to the point, guys. First of all, as you can see here, these points which I know, which I you can see my friend is noted now. So this was the very important to understand. First of all, as you can see my friend, this point absolutely very literally very small time, you can see here the price was pumps up and hit the resistance line, and here is the second time, you can see here, and here is the third time. So first of all, my friend, if we understand, my friend, this now definitely we will be that's clear to how much the price was pumps up. So you can see, my friend, after a short dump every coin was pumps up, everybody know this. But definitely, my friend, recently the price was jumps down. But my friends, as you know, my friend, there last month, my friend, and all crypto market for a short time take a very huge pump. Nobody can expect seriously, my brother, to it will pumps up like that. But my friends, we are completely understand to the price will be pumps up, and definitely after this pump they will dumps down also. So therefore we are be ready and we are be safe from loss. So I also notify you to be safe from loss and don't lose, all right, anymore. So in upcoming time the price of pumps up or dumps down, let me explain. But kindly please guys, before this we will need to check out the updates. The update, you can see here 1.25% is decreased. You can see your price in last 24 hour, and 124.23 USD dollar was the current price of binary X. So my friends, the market cap, the volume, you can see here also decreasing. That is a really bad news, my friend. And it was decreasing because holder are starting selling. So my advice for everyone to don't starting selling, you will need to hold. And this was the first week of this month, so therefore the prices will dump down. But don't worry, I'm sure after the first and second week the price will be completely go to the moon. So buy it and hold it because the price is very cheap. Allah Hafiz, take care, don't forget to subscribe channel.